Noise cancelling headphones. Wireless noise cancelling headset that has just been announced by the US audio company Bose, replacing the already successful and well-known predecessor, the Quiet Comfort QC35-2. Powerful in terms of features and technologies that enhance the user experience. Get the most from your smartphone while it stays in your pocket. Bose Headphones 700 provide easy access to voice assistants like Amazon Alexa. They feature an unrivaled microphone system for voice pickup. And they have Bose R, a first-of-its-kind audio augmented reality platform. The Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 has beautiful design and very modern look, has a USB-C charging port and provides up to 20 hours of continuous use of all its features. The large, oval-shaped ear cup that covers the entire ear will make it comfortable to wear. Especially, this headset is Bose proudly integrated virtual assistant as the main function. With this combination, you will have a seamless connection with your devices, and when you call, Google Assistant, Alexa or Siri are ready to answer. Bose Headphones 700 feature an unrivaled microphone system that picks up and isolates your voice while canceling the noise around you. You'll hear and be heard like never before. Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 is equipped with touch sensors to enable users to easily play, pause music. Noise protection is also smarter with 11 levels for users to customize the level to suit the surroundings. Bose also claims that Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 has the world's best microphone system built into a pair of headphones. There are 4 microphones and Bose has made great promises in terms of noise cancellation and voice isolation capabilities for the NCH700. Another attractive feature that Cancelling Headphones 700 is Bose R. This is the first virtual reality audio platform in the world introduced by Bose at the same time with Bose Frame. According to Bose, when using devices with Bose R, users will hear more information, sound and noise about the area they are standing by thanks to the sensors and positioning on the device. Bose Simple Sync pairs your Bose Headphones 700 with your Bose Soundbar 500 or 700. With independent volume controls, one of you can sleep as the other continues watching, guilt-free. Bose has improved what they're most known for with these active noise-canceling headphones. With 11 levels of noise cancellation, you can truly personalize your environment. These Bluetooth headphones deliver an immersive listening experience at any volume with signature active EQ and impressive bass response. Bose R is a first-of-its-kind audio augmented reality platform that makes astonishing new audio experiences possible by helping you stay connected to your digital world and stay engaged in the physical world at the same time. For iPhone, iPad, and Android users, be sure your product's firmware is up to date through the Bose Music app. Then you can access a showcase of Bose R enhanced apps with links to download them. Bose R availability and functionality varies. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.